Welcome to Dr. Zahid Math. This is the video for Numerical Methods course, exercise 6.5, Matrix Factorization using LU Decomposition. So this is exactly same as LU Factorization. This idea is to break a matrix A into the product of two simpler matrices, L, which is a lower triangular matrix, and U, an upper triangular matrix. This method helps us solve system of linear equations, finding inverses and compute determinants more easily, especially when dealing with repeated solutions AX is equal to B. Keep in your mind. Okay, where I'm going to apply this teacher for chemical engineering for solving mass balance and reaction network equations, we use this idea, and also in process simulation and reactor modeling, then heat and diffusion analysis also we use this idea, right? Not in your bachelor level, in the higher level mathematics we will use it, right? For mechanical engineering, again and again I'm telling, all these numerical methods courses, the models, the formulas, the ideas, everything will be applied in finite element method, which is in short form they call it as FEM, that is finite element methods. For stress and deformation and vibration and dynamic system analysis, structural and equilibrium equations. The more important is electrical students and electronics, we can say. Circuit analysis using nodal mesh equations. All of you studied mesh equations, remember? That is AX equals what? B. And also we will use this idea in power flow calculations also. And most of the places in control systems and signal processing also, we will use this LU factorization, right? It's not just a math, it's behind simulation tools and engineering computations in all branches of engineering. Just keep in your mind. Okay teacher, what we are going to do it here, we are just going to perform this operation for this matrix A equals 1, negative 1, 0, 2, 2, 3, negative 1, 3, 2. Let me give you the steps. What are the steps you have to follow? Step number 1. Step number 1 is you are going to write the matrix, okay? You are going to write the matrix with the identity matrix on the right hand side, with identity on the right side, on the right hand side. This is the first step you are going to do it. What is this teacher? Let me write. So A is equal to, you take the matrix 1, negative 1, 0, 2, 2, 3, negative 1, 3 and 2. What I said the first step? Write the matrix with identity matrix on the right hand side. What is identity matrix? Identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. You are going to take it like that. Clear all of you? Right. Now I'm going for step number 2. In the step number 2, I'm going to use row operations. I'm going to do what? Row operations. Row operations, especially I'm going to make it as upper triangular matrix. That means below the diagonal, I'm going to make all the elements 0. Below the diagonal, all elements, I'm going to make it to 0. Clear? Right. Below the diagonal, what is diagonal? First element in the first row, second element in the second row, third element in the third row. So these 3 elements, I'm going to make it to 0 with the help of the idea which we already studied, Gauss elimination method. Okay, but I did not make a video, but very soon I will make it. Okay, using Gauss elimination method. While you are using this row operations, one more step you have to remember in your mind, that is, once you finish first operations, you have to store your element. Store. There is a button in the calculator, store. How to use this button? Show. We have to use shift and then store. And then actually shift RCL. This is the button you are going to use. Shift RCL. This is the button. This is the key you are going to use it. Store it in B and store it in C. Let me explain. Don't worry. Right. To make the left side as an upper triangular matrix, that is U. You can say like that. So this is step number 2. We are going to do it. Let me do the step number 2. Okay. Right. I told you this one. Every time you're going to make this is a pivotal element, right? So R2 becomes, right, R2 here, R1 here. and R3 becomes, this is R3 and then R1 here. If it is same sign, use negative sign. If it is different sign, you're going to put it as plus. Now R1 you multiply by 2, so this is 2, okay, and this multiply by this one, so we are going to multiply 1, and this one 1 and 1, so you are just going to multiply 1 and 1 only, so you're going to make plus, okay. So now what we are going to do it, first thing is we are going to do in the matrix in the calculator. Come on, restart your calculator everybody, restart your calculator. Yes, now go to mode, let me take the calculator also, go to mode everybody and press number 6. Number 6 is matrix, right? When you press number 6, it will ask 1, which is mat A. I'm using black color calculator. So for silver color calculator, first you have to clear the dimension. Silver color, press 1 and fix your dimensions. This one, then you start the work, okay? Press 1 mat A. So and then press number 1, which is 3 by 3 matrix, okay, right? When you press 1, the matrix A will come. Matrix A will come. So what you're going to do, matrix A, the first row, this one, okay. So this one, you're going to use it. Let me write it again. So A matrix, let me write it a big manner. A is equal to, right, matrix, okay. 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then I'm going to write 2, 2, 3, then 0, 1, 0. Then I'm going to write minus 1, 3, 2, then 0, 0, 1. This is your matrix. Okay. So what you're going to do, you're going to give this as matrix A in your calculator. Teacher, how can I give? This is first row and this is second row. So just this one, give it in the calculator mat A. And this one, you give it as in the calculator as mat B. Okay, mat A, and this is mat B. And this one, you give it in the calculator mat C. Okay, right. Okay, teacher, mat A, I'm giving 1, minus 1, and then 0. Then the second row, it is coming 1, 0, 0. Yes, that's it. So the third row will be 0, 0, teacher. Yes, this is your mat A in the calculator, right? What is mat B, teacher, in the calculator? In the calculator, 2, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, then 0, 0, 0. This is mat B in the calculator. And mat C, teacher, in the calculator? Yes. Give minus 1, 3, 2, 0, 0, 1, and the third row will be 0, 0, 0. So now this is mat A in your calculator, this is mat B in your calculator, this is mat C in your calculator. Once you give this input, press AC. Once you give this input, press AC. Once you give this input, press AC. Now your data is stored inside your calculator. Am I right? Okay. So mat A is ready, mat B is ready, and mat C is ready. Now first row operations, I'm going to do this one. Which one? R2 becomes. Now you just write R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. Okay, right. So in the calculator, now you are going to do this one. R2 is nothing but what? Our input. This is your R1, right? And this is your R2 and this is your R3, right? So R2 is what? Which is mat B in your calculator. Minus 2 times it is mat A. Okay. How to do this one, teacher? Already you are in the AC mode, right? Shift 4. Press Shift 4, everybody. Shift 4. And then you go to number 3 or 4. Now mat B is in 4. So now you go press 4. Okay. Press 4. And then minus 2 times. Again Shift 4. Again Shift 4. Again Shift 4. Then press number 3. When you press number 3, you will get mat A. So what is this final screen? The screen will be like this. Mat B minus 2 times mat A. Then press equal. Okay. If you press equal, what you will get? You will get a matrix like this. Okay. What is the matrix you will get? You will get 0, 4, 3 and then minus 2, 1, 0 you will get. And then press Shift. Okay. Press what? Shift. Shift RCL. When you press Shift RCL, on the second row, there is a B is there. Press B. So if you press B, your matrix looks like this. You can see that there is a B in the corner, you can see, and 0, 4, 3, minus 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. You can see like this. So this one you have to get it in the calculator and you should do it. So now the data is updated. So you are pressing this one. Shift RCL means is nothing but the store. We are storing the B values in the calculator as a B matrix. Okay, right. So don't forget. Now this is finished. Now let me go to the next step. What is the next step? R3 becomes, right? So R3 becomes what? R3 becomes, okay, R3 plus R1. So R3 plus R1 is what? This is mat C. And then this plus 1 is what? This is mat A, right? Come on, all of you press shift 4, right? And then press mat C. Press mat C, right? Again, plus, put plus, then again shift 4 you press, right? And then press mat A, right? So your screen looks like now mat C plus mat A it will come. So what mat C plus mat A will come? If you open the matrix, you will get 0, 2, 2 and 1, 0, 1. Then you will get 0, 0, 0. Then please press shift, okay. Then press RCL. RCL is store, okay, store. Then press C on the second row, not second row, one row above, the pink color C. So if you press C, you will get C and then the matrix will come like this 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 1 and then 0, 0, 1. Clear? Right. So you are going to write it here. How you are going to write it here now? Now your matrix A is equal to, what happens now? So this is equal to, it's not A equals, already gone, right? This is equal to 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. The second row is 0, 4, 3, minus 2, 1, 0. Then 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 1. Whatever you are getting in the calculator as a first row, this one. And whatever you are getting in the second row is this one. Whatever you are getting in the first row is this one. Whatever you are getting in the second row is this one. Keep in your mind. Okay, right. Now what I need to do, I need to make this element as 0, right? How? With the help of this element. This is called pivotal element, or you can say leading diagonal element. Okay, so what I should do, now everything is over, storage over, all these things is over, right? Now we are going with R3 becomes, first put R3, your pivotal element is R1. So what I should do, R2 is multiplied by, with the help of R3 becomes R2, not R1, sorry. So R3, what you are going to do, you are going to multiply 4 times R3 and you are going to multiply 2 times R2, right? And in between same sign, so you are going to minus. So what is your operation? 4 times R3 minus 2 times R2. So it is 4 times, our row is what? This is mat C, minus 2 times this one is what? Mat B. Come on, again use the calculator. Shift 4. Shift 4. Now press mat 4. Mat C, press no problem. Mat C. And then put 4 in the front. Minus 2. And then again shift 4. Press mat B. Okay. If you press mat B, right? Now what you are going to get in the calculator is, you're going to get 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 already there, no touching here, 0, 4, 3, no touching, minus 2, 1, 0, no touching. Only you're going to write the third row, 0, 0, 2, 8, minus 2, 4. So you will get this as a first row, this you will get a second row. Keep in your mind, okay? And the third row will be what? 0, 0, 0. So this we got it. Now look at here. Your matrix is now become an upper triangular matrix. So below the diagonal, this is 0 and this is also 0, right? Yes. What the rule says, now we are going for step number 3. We are going for what? Step number 3. The step number 3 is, finally, what you got it is, finally we get a matrix UB. Finally we get a matrix is what? UB. What is your U, teacher? This is your upper triangular matrix U and this is your matrix B, we are going to call it. So what is our job? We need to find U and we need to find L, right? U is ready. So what is L, teacher? That is step number 4. So step number 4, L is equal to B inverse is the formula. L is equal to what? B inverse is the rule. Keep in your mind, this is the rule. Okay, what is your B matrix? This is your B matrix. Now restart your calculator. Restart your calculator. After restarting your calculator, again press mode and then matrix, okay, which is number 6. Then number 6 and then press now 2. Press number 2, which is mat B, right? Which is 3 by 3 matrix you press. Now you give the matrix this B matrix. What is your B matrix? Your B matrix is 1 0 0 minus 2 1 0 and 8 negative 2 4. Give this matrix now. So this is your matrix B. You give this matrix and then press AC. Once you press AC, what we are going to do? We are going to find what? B inverse. So what you do? You press shift 4 and press mat B. Okay. After that, there is a button in the calculator. Can you see the button in the calculator? X inverse. This is the button on the second row. You can first row on the right side, last but one before. Okay, last but one. Yes, mat B, and you press inverse. If you press inverse, you will get B inverse is equal to, in the calculator, 1 0 0 2 1 0 negative 1 0.5 and 0.25. This is what you're going to get it. This is your matrix L. So now, what is your L matrix? Which is 1 0 0 2 1 0 negative 1 0.5 and 0.25. And what is your U matrix? Which already we got it. 1 minus 1 0 0 4 3 and 0 0 2. This is your U matrix. So this is what? LU decomposition. What is the use of this, teacher? One famous thing is available. What is that? So what I'm going to do, for this finished, the solution is finished. But before you come out of the exam room, what you need to do, whether your answer is correct or not, you need to check. This L is correct, U is correct. What you need to do, again take your calculator, restart your calculator, right? Give the input A matrix, the first one L. This matrix you give. And give the matrix B as your second matrix U. Now you perform shift 4 and type mat A multiply by mat B. If you multiply mat A by mat B, you must get the given question. The given question you should get. What is the given question, teacher? In given question is 1 negative 1 0 2 2 3 minus 1 3 2. If you get this answer, then your L is correct and your U is correct. Otherwise, it's wrong. Keep in your mind. Okay, understood? So the calculator work is little bit difficult, but so finally, this things should I need to do in the exam, teacher? This part and this one and this one? No. This is for your confirmation. You want to make sure whether your answer is correct. We are doing this one. So this finishes your LU decomposition method, which is 6.5. Clear all of you? Right? Understood? Is there any problem? Just say it in the comments. Right. I hope everything is clear for you. Am I right? Yes. So in this way, we are finishing this LU decomposition method. So see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Dr. Zahir.